The case against embattled former Embu Governor Martin Wambora began today, with his lawyer Paul Muite denying the abusive office charges against his client. Elsewhere, the criminal trial against city lawyer Kethi Kilonzo will proceed. KTN's Winnie Kamau brings us details of these and other stories from the courts.
Together with the supporting affidavits.
The criminal trial against city lawyer Kethi Kilonzo will go on. The court ruled despite her plea to have the case dismissed for lack of witness statements requested. Kethi, through her lawyers led by Fred Ojiambo, sought to have more documents and witness statements from the prosecution. The court held the prosecution cannot be forced to supply what they did not rely on during the hearing.
Who is this Wambora who has been so addicted?
And the case facing embattled Embu former Governor Martin Wambora began in earnest today, with Wambora's lawyer Paul Muite denying abuse of office allegations. Wambora claims the charges of purchasing 3 million shillings worth of maize seeds and the renovation of the stadium were trumped up. The case, which is before a 3-judge bench, resumes tomorrow. Elsewhere, the High Court has halted a criminal case against former Mungiki leader Martin Wambora pending the hearing and determination of the application before the court. The 2-judge bench, Justices Msaga Mbugoli and Lydia Chode, said that the issue of contention before the court was whether the accused should be represented by senior counsel Paul Muite. Njenga is facing charges of robbery and malicious damage to property. And Mumias Outgrowers Company Limited have sought to have their 3.7 billion shilling claim against the sugar milling company be set down before a hearing before the arbitrator. The farmers, through their lawyer Patrick Luther, had written to the sole arbitrator Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, asking him to invite the parties to set date for the arbitration. And the court this month is set to rule on whether Cabinet Secretary Charity Ngilu disregarded the law by dismissing the Commissioner of Land, Sarah Mwenda, from office without due process. The effect of the dismissal has now led to a snag in the land registry, since there is no one to sign the title deeds. This emerged in an industrial court where Mwenda is contesting her dismissal. Winnie Kamau, KTN.